factory of 240. So 240, it can be written as 2 times 120. 2 times 120 means 240. 120, it can be written as 2 times 60. 2 times 60 means 120. 60, it can be written as 2 times 30. 2 times 30 means 60. 30, it can be written as 2 times 15. 2 times 15 means 30. 15, it can be written as 3 times 5. 3 times 5 means 15. So now we have to select the prime numbers among these numbers. So prime numbers are these all 2, these 3 and 5. So we can write 240 is equal to product of all these prime numbers, that is this 2 times 2 times this 2 times this 2 times this 3 and at last this 5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.